Hello, and welcome to the Chem 110 course overview and tour video. My name is Charlene Kemmerly, and I will be your instructor this semester. This is a hybrid course, which means you will be on campus for labs and testing only. All other assignments and course resources will be online. When you log on to mycourses.dtcc.edu, you will see all D2L courses that you are currently enrolled in, right here and here, as well as past courses that have ended. When you click on the link for this course, this one here, you will be directed to the course homepage. Here, I will post important announcements, often with links, as you see down here, as well as assignments with due dates. Let's explore the rest of the course together. Under the Content tab, right here, is where all course assignments, materials, and resources can be found. There's an overview link, which provides you with just some basic information about the course, as well as the policies for the course. There's a course schedule link that tells you what's due and when, upcoming very recently within the next week, as well as a full course schedule with due dates. You will also see a table of contents, and then course materials and resources by week, as well as an evaluations tab where you can take a survey to kind of tell me how you think the class is going and make suggestions anonymously. Please take some time to review the Week 0 resources at the start of the course. You can do this by clicking on Week 0. Under Week 0, you will see there is a Getting Started document, course expectations and policies, the college syllabus for the course, as well as a course schedule. There is a PowerPoint on lab safety to help you review some of that information, as well as a link to my information and my office hours. If you click on my information, it takes you to a webpage, provides you with my email, my phone number, as well as my office location. If we continue on to Week 1, you can see that there are due dates and when the week starts. Each week provides you with a brief overview of what we will be doing, the course objectives that we will be covering, as well as the things that you will need to do. The to-do list provides due dates, as you can see. As we continue to scroll down, you will see at the top of each week there are the PowerPoints and the assignments that are required. Underneath of the required assignments are some additional resources and extra practice. These are not mandatory, they are not graded, but they are to kind of provide you with some extra assistance with the material we are covering. Many of these are links to external resources, such as Khan Academy. Finally, on each week, there's also a nice little discussion board where you can post any questions, concerns, comments that you have for either your peers or myself. Future weeks are set up the same way. Let's see that. Under Week 2, again, you see the overview, objectives, your to-do list with due dates, the required assignments, the PowerPoint, the lab report, and the homework, as well as additional resources and extra practice links, and a discussion board for your questions and concerns. Week 3 is very similar. Once again, same exact setup. Overview, objectives, to-do list, additional resources, test review questions and answer key, and then you'll see here there's also a test that's not available at this time. Under the Evaluations tab, you will see that there is a mid-semester evaluation currently posted. This is a survey where you get to answer some questions about how you feel the course is going, as well as provide suggestions on how it could be going better. Let's go back to Week 1 and take a look at quiz number 1. You will click on the quiz, and then you will click to continue quiz, since this is already set up as an attempt, or begin quiz. The quiz will load and you will upload all of your questions and answers. And when you're done, you will save all responses and then Submit Quiz for grading. If you click on Submit Quiz, it will tell you if you haven't answered any questions, as I have not here. And then you actually have to go through and confirm that you would like to submit. It will inform you that your quiz has been submitted successfully. Instead, if you have to submit an assignment, let's go to week 2 for that. You can click on the assignment, and it gives you a location to upload your document. You would click Upload, find the document you'd like to upload. Then you have the option to provide comments, and then you click Submit. And D2L will tell you that you have completed and submitted the assignment. If you would like to make a second submission, you can do the same thing. Upload, find the document, and submit. Let's continue our course tour. We've talked about the Content tab. Let's cover Activities. If you click on the Activities tab, you will see a variety of activities that you could partake in the class. We will be focusing on assignments, discussions, and quizzes in here. If you click on the Assignments tab, you will see all assignments that I have available for you to submit. If you click on the actual assignment, such as the lab report here, you will see its due date, when it starts, some instructions for that report, as well as a copy of a rubric. The rubric tells you what I expect for the assignment and how it will be graded. When you are ready to submit, again, you go to Add File and Submit. So you can either directly submit assignments here, or you can submit them under the Content tab. Go back to the top. Under Activities, you can also directly access discussions as well as quizzes from the Activities tab. Under the Tools tab, you have direct access to My Announcements. As you can see here, all announcements would be posted. You also have access to Brightspace Mobile, a class list, and your ePortfolio. Under Class List, you will see all of the users and all of the members of our class, including me. You can click on the name of the person, and you are allowed to then directly email either a peer or me a question or concern. Under ePortfolio, you can upload items that you would like to save for future use. Finally, under the Grades tab, you have access to all your grades. Here you can see how everything is weighted. So exams in here are 70%, labs are 25%, and homework and quizzes count as 5%. You can also see anything that I have uploaded as an assignment, and any grades that I've already provided. Obviously here, I have not provided grades because this is me. In addition, you would have access to any feedback that I provide as well for that assignment. This concludes our course overview and tour. Please contact me if you have any questions. Let's have a wonderful semester.